Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so, emosyon. Okay, ni person mo ngayong week. Okay, excuse my nails. Okay, so, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay perception of light. Okay? And syempre, yeah, don't forget to follow. And yes, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, yan, si Kuya Dingsi po, ha, ang amin pwedeng may refer sa inyo. And yes, don't forget rin na i-follow si Kuya Dingsi. And yeah, oo, pagdating naman po sa ating mga evil eye items, so, available po lahat, no? And yeah. Isa-isahin natin again. All-in-one Evil Eye Bracelet. Ito po yun, ha. Ito yung merong initial. Okay. Available in red and black string. So, ito po is na-adjust po. Ha. Okay. So, na-adjust yan. And yung isa nating bracelet. Okay. So, ito yung pangalawang design. Okay. This is garterized. Ang pinagkapareho lang nitong dalawa is unisex po silang pareho, no? Pwede sa babae, pwede sa lalaki, kung ano man ang gender mo. Okay? So, Evil Eye Ring, adjustable, non-tarnish, and hypoallergenic. Okay? So, ganyan po. Okay? And, ito naman ang ating Evil Eye necklace. So, ganun rin siya. Parang si Evil Eye Ring. No? Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and ayan, nahiya siya. Okay. Meron siyang extender. Okay, ito po yung kanyang extender. So, yan. Oo. Okay, so pwede nyo pong gamitin yung inyong mga chain kung meron kayong available at gusto nyo gamitin yon. Okay? So, mahalaga lang po kasi dyan is yung ating pendant. So, lahat ng ating evil eye item is for protection po. Ha? For protection. So, punta tayo kay the granter. Si the granter, taga-grant ng wish, desires, kung ano man ang mga gusto. So, lagi po natin sinasabi na maging responsible owner ng granter necklace. Okay? So, marami ng mga gandang feedback ang ating granter necklace sa ating FB page. So, tingnan nyo na lang po kung meron kayong mga, if you have heaps of free time. Okay? And, yeah. Wala akong may flex ngayon dahil na-pick up na yung order ng mga mga naka-order na nakapagpagawa. Okay? So, wala na akong on hand. On hand! So, ito, meron tayong on hand. Kasi itong aking mga pina-flex na ito, akin to mismo. Kaya meron ako na i-flex. Okay? Ayan, akin yan. Akin itong mga yan. Kaya, okay. So, yung granter, wala eh. Wala akong ganun. Bakit pa? Bakit pa? Ako nga ang gumagawa eh, 'di ba? So, yeah, share na lang, oo, sa mga wish na ginugusto para mag-grant. No, kahit konti. Oo, kahit kauntian. Pero, yeah, sabi ko nga, be responsible po ha sa mga gustong maging owner ng granter necklace. Okay, so acrylic po yon, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches po, no, yung length ng kanyang chain. Okay? So, yeah, let's start. So, if you're interested sa kahit anong items natin, message lang po, no, sa atin pong FB page. Okay? So, let's start. Aries. Emotion ni person mo ngayong week. Pagdating sa'yo, Aries. Anong emotion? Emotion ni person mo ngayong week. Let's see. Their emotion. The Eight of Cups. Oh, may pagdistansya. Bakit? May coldness ako nakukuha rito. The Eight of Swords in reverse. Ayaw niya na parang didiktahan siya. Nakakuha ko ng energy rito, ha? Na gusto na niyang i-release yung sarili niya. Sa kung anong sitwasyon meron kayo. Yes. Okay? Yeah. Meron din ako nakukuha ditong parang gusto nang itigil pagdating sa connection. at magpakalayo-layo na. Yeah. Kung may separation po dito, may chance na parang nakaka-let go na siya ng mas maganda, mas mabuti. Parang ganyan, mas maayos. Okay po. So, yun. So, next. Taurus. Okay. So, Taurus, anong emosyon sa'yo ni person mo ngayong week? Taurus. Emotion ni person mo ngayong week. The Fool. Okay. What's with the Fool? The Four of Cups in reverse. So, may chance, no, na pwedeng available sa'yo itong taong to. Wanting to take risk for some of them. Maging open. Okay? Yeah. So, nandyan yung pagkaklingi nung iba. Parang ganyan. Okay? Nakakuha ko rito ng SEX sa mga magkakarelasyon. Okay? They're in their emotions by next week pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, kung meron ditong separation, they want to reach out. They want to express their emotions. Parang ganun. Okay? Yeah, they miss you. Kung may separation dito. Okay? Next. Gemini. Okay. Anong emotion sa'yo ni person mo next week? Gemini. The Nine of Wands in reversed. That is the energy of surrendering. Okay. Why? Pagod. Parang ganyan. Draining. Why? The Three of Swords. A lot of fights. No? Andito yung parang nagsasawa na siya. I'm sorry, Gemini. May chance na lokohin ka. May chance na saktan ka nito emotionally by next week. I'm sorry. See? The World Universe. Na magbibigay sa iyo ng maraming question. Ano bang meron? Ganyan. Andito yung panlalamig. Pananawa. Okay po. So, there. So, kung may separation kayo, still, wala pa rin pagbabago. Wala siyang gagawin. If you're expecting na mag-reach out, wala siyang gagawin. Okay? So, hinahayaan lang niya yung separation. So, next. Cancer. Okay. Cancer. Ano ang emosyon ni person sa'yo by next week? Anong emotion niya sa'yo? Okay. The Seven of Pentacles. So, they're invested. Okay. Some of them, they're expecting or waiting. So, this is investing. The Empress in reverse. Yeah. So, ano tong The Empress in reverse? Check ko lang kung tama yung nasa isip ko. The Empress in reverse. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Some of you, kung karelasyon mo yan or kakonect mo, nag-i-stay yan just because of the sex. Okay? Just because of the sex. Wala akong nakuha ditong attraction. Wala akong nakuha ditong improvement. Just sex. Okay? So, maybe the sex is good. Yeah. No emotions. No. Or maybe someone is not available. Maybe. Okay? Pero, yeah. Communication. Hindi aalis. Mga ganyan. Pero, there's, no chance of growth or improvement pagdating sa emosyon or sa sitwasyon nyo, kung ano man. Andyan lang siya. Okay? Pero, no leveling up. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, next. Leo. So, Leo, anong emotion sa'yo ni person mo by next week? Leo, emotion ni person mo by next week? The Four of Cups in reversed. Being transparent. Being open. Dito yung may pag-express ng emosyon. Ano yung Four of Cups in reversed? The World in reversed. Okay, so some of them, if you have this unfinished business, may chance ng they're sabihin nating hindi pa nila nalilimutan kung ano man yung mga nangyari sa inyo. Okay, still. Some of them, pwedeng tinatanong ka sa mga kaibigan nyo, mutual friends nyo, okay? Pero yung iba sa kanila, masyado silang nagfo-focus sa trabaho, mga ganyan. Okay, yeah, the Ace of Wands. Trabaho. Opportunities. Pero nandyan pa rin. Like, kung anong issue meron kayo, nandyan pa rin. Sa emosyon niya, something like burden, parang ganyan na. Okay? So, maybe, tinatry nilang i-release yung kung ano mang nararamdaman nila through work. By being busy. Okay? Yeah. The Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, they still invested. Next, Virgo. Virgo, anong emosyon sa'yo ni person mo ngayong week? Virgo, emotion ni person mo ngayong week sa'yo. The Justice. They want to be fair. Okay. They want to be equal. Yeah, the Ten of Wands in reversed. Equality. Ang naririnig ko dito. Okay? Kung meron kailangan pag-usapan, mga ganyan. Hindi ito yung taong kung may nangyari sa inyong hindi maganda sa past, something like napapatawad ka na or vice versa. Parang nalet go na niya yung burden. And some of them, they're ready magkaroon ng new beginning with you or maybe new beginning pagdating sa sarili niya. Pero yes, ang tanong natin, emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo. So maybe, may kagustuhan itong taong to na magkaroon ng kapatawaran pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Okay? There. Next. Libra. Emotion ni person mo by next week. Emotion ni person mo by next week. Pagdating sa'yo, Libra. The Knight of Swords. Communication. They want to communicate. They want communication with you. Okay, taking charge. The Four of Pentacles in reversed. May chance rito na pwedeng may magyaya ng date, magyaya ng meetups, mga ganyan. Treat, mga ganyan. Okay? So, maybe gusto kang makita ng taong to, gusto kang makausap, gusto kang makasama. They want to spend time, maybe, yeah, with you. Okay? Four of Pentacles in reverse. And the Ace of Swords in reverse. Some of them, pwedeng may secret or sabihin nating surprise. Okay? There's a surprise. Yeah. Yeah, may pupuntahan, mayroong gustong puntahan or pwedeng, in general, mayroong gustong gawin by next week. Okay? So, gusto niya mag-invest or gusto niyang sabihin may paramdam sa'yo kung ano bang meron pagdating sa sitwasyon nyo. Okay? Next, Scorpio. Scorpio. Anong emosyon sa'yo ni person mo by next week? Scorpio. Emotion ni person mo. The Four of Swords. They're thinking of you a lot. Some of you, you're in a break. Okay? Tingnan natin tong Four of Swords. The Five of Cups in reverse. Some of them, they're trying to move on from you. But still, they want you. Ganon ka komplikado. They want to move on, but still, they want you. Yeah. It's like a missed opportunity, maybe. See? Feeling invested. Okay? If ever na magkaroon kayo nito ng something like another chance, papayag to. Yeah, papayag yan. Pero ang focus nito is mag-heal, mag-rest, mag-move on from now. Okay? Yeah, they're not ready. Okay? So, yeah, the Queen of Cups, emotion. Next, Sagittarius. What's their emotion? Oo, ngayong week, pagdating sa'yo, Sag. Okay. Anong emotion ni person ng mga Sagittarius pagdating sa inyo? The Seven of Wands universe. Some of you merong ia-unblock. Specific, merong mga ia-unblock. Okay. They doesn't want any kind of tension na. Ayaw nila ng tension sa pagitan nyo. Okay, yeah, the Six of Swords. Some of them, the Six of Swords, meron ditong pag-alis or sabihin nating paglayo. Yeah, may paglayo. Tingnan natin itong Seven of Wands universe. Para saan tong Seven of Wands universe? I think nakakuha ko ng closure dito. Yeah, the Devil. Nakakuha ko ng closure dito kasi mahirap. Nandito yung pagpipigil. Okay? Sila mismo yung gumagawa ng effort or work. Tinuturuan nila sarili nila na lumayo sa'yo. I don't know why. I don't know. Antong Six of Swords. Yeah, the King of Swords universe. The Four of Wands universe. Maybe, kanya-kanyang issue, kaya hindi kayo pwede. Okay? Some of them, gusto nito na parang maging friends kayo. Okay? Pero, masasabi kong relationship is wala. Gusto niya parang may masettle kung ano man yung issue meron kayo. And then, kalimutan na. Parang ganyan. Parang, yeah, open sila. Maging friend mo, mga ganyan. Yes, yeah, meron ditong separation. The Four of Wands universe. Okay? So, gusto lang nito na makalimutan, kung ano man mga dapat kalimutan, magkaroon ng parang casual na lang. Okay? So, there. Next. Capricorn. So, Capricorn, ano bang emosyon sa'yo ni person mo by next week? Capricorn. The Empress in reverse. They feel parang walang improvement or progress. Some of them, pwedeng nawawala yung attraction. Why? The Magician in reversed. Oh! May Two of Pentacles here. So, this is an energy of juggling. Delays. Ano to? Yeah, the Nine of Cups in reverse. Niloloko nila ang sarili nila pagdating sa'yo. Like, gusto ka. Okay? Gusto ka. Pero parang kumukuha ito ng dahilan para hindi ka gustuhin. Kasi, pwedeng alam nila na hindi ka kaya na makuha, na maging partner talaga like that. Kaya niloloko nila yung sarili nila pagdating sa inyo na parang, hindi naman bagay sa akin tong si Capricorn or ganto, ganyan. Ganon. Minamanipula nila yung sarili nila na hindi ka nila gusto. Pero sa totoo lang, gustong gusto ka. Okay? See, the Queen of Cups. Some of them kasi may chance na Ten of Pentacles universe. May chance na may problem pagdating sa kaperahan. May gap sa inyong dalawa. Some of you may third party involved. Maraming issue actually. Okay? Pero mahal ka. Yeah. Niloloko lang nila yung sarili nila na hindi ka na mahal. Yes. Okay, next. Aquarius. Ano ang emosyon ni person mo by next week pagdating sa'yo, Aqua? The Nine of Wands. They're guarded. Yes, pwedeng i-avoid ka, tataguan ka. Yeah. They're not like available emotionally. Okay. Itatago nito yung emosyon. Maybe, tatago. Bakit? Some of them, nandun yung immaturity pagdating sa emosyon. Yeah, the temperance. Some of them, they're just playing cool. Playing cool. Like, playing safe pagdating sa'yo. So, nandun yung parang hindi sila gagawa agad ng action towards you para hindi mapahiya, maybe. Or, iniiwasan lang nila kung anong mga hindi maganda, if ever. Okay? Yeah. May chance ng, tawag dyan, meron ditong nakikipag-usap or makikipag-usap by next week. Pero they're guarded. Like, hindi nila ipapakita yung totoong emosyon pagdating sa'yo. Pero itatry ka lang eh. Like that. So, if ever, kung ikaw maunang mag-open up sila. Pero, okay, advice ko, wag mong gawin na mag-open up agad. Okay? Kanya-kanya rin naman kasi. Okay. So, next. Pisces. Pisces. Ano ang emosyon sa'yo ni person mo by next week? Okay. Some of them, they're holding back. They're held back. Okay? Pisces, emotion by next week. The Ace of Pentacles. Some of them, they need you. They need you. They want a new beginning with you, but yeah, they're holding back, some of them. Okay? Ace of Pentacles, yeah. Yeah, holding back. Ito yung kanina na nag-flip, pero nag-flip ulit siya ngayon. No? Okay. So, itong taong ito, may chance na parang nandyan yung hiya, nandyan yung takot, doubt, pagdating sa emosyon. Like, gusto nga niya na magkaroon kayo ng connection maybe, or reconnection, reconciliation for some of you, pero they're in doubt. Okay? So, some of them, sila yung parang magiging guarded. Yeah. Guarded. Like, may limit. Pagdating sa emosyon, or pagdating sa kung anong meron. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!